In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a book trailer using Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Video or Presentation. These formats use the 16 by 9 size, which is perfect for video trailers. Once your canvas opens, you can start with a template or a blank design. In the search bar, type video trailer or promo video to find templates that already include animations and scene layouts. Each page in your design will act like a scene in your book trailer. Start by adding your book title, a short tagline, and a few teaser lines that hint at the story. Keep the text short and dramatic so viewers stay interested. Next, add visuals. You can upload your book cover, use stock images from the Elements section, or add short video clips that match the mood of your story. For example, fantasy stories might use dark landscapes, while romance stories might use soft colors and warm visuals. You can also add animations and transitions. Click on text or images and choose Animate to create movement between scenes. This helps make the trailer feel more cinematic. If you want background music, go to the audio section and add a soundtrack that fits the theme of your book. Preview the trailer by clicking play and adjust the timing of each scene if needed. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download and choose MP4 video. That is it. Your book trailer is ready to share on social media, your website, or with your readers. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.